Hi everyone, it's Birjees here from Tranquility in Art. I just wanted to show you this painting that I've recently uploaded onto YouTube. It's been about a few days now and it's on my home page. So if you type in Tranquility in Art and get to my home page, that'll be the first video that appears on the top of the home page. I'm also linking this video to the actual tutorial that this is a part of, and that'll appear up here right about now. In fact, I hope it stays there for the whole time so that you can click on it. When you do click on it, it won't take you away from this video. It'll just save it into your watch later list so you can have a look at it then. But do have a look. It'll teach you how to draw it, how to paint it. The one of the things I would like to tell you that I did here was with these trees here. Um, they are lighter than a lot of the background here, and the reason for that is that I used a bit of tape. Some people use washi tape, some people use painter's tape. What I used was a bit of magic tape, which you can buy from any shop really, and I just took some of the tackiness off and taped it down here. And for this one I cut the tape lengthways to make it a little bit smaller because I want this tree to look a little bit further distance away from us. And I really tried to make sure that I pressed down hard here on the tape so that the paint doesn't get in when I'm painting the sky here or the trees here. Now for this one I did find that because I was cutting the tape lengthways, I had to do a bit of overlapping here. And I did find, but just to make the tree the size it is, I did find that because of the overlap here, some of the paint did seep through, but that didn't matter to me. I didn't mind, simply because I was going to paint over it again and give it some texture with other colors anyway. This is the tree line here is done using a mixture of various shades, burnt sienna, straight from the tube, Indian red, straight from the tube, and then the greens are a mixture of deep green and ultramarine blue, deep green and burnt sienna, and deep green and yellow ochre. The foreground, you'll notice in the video, it suddenly appears, and I did that for a reason, because I've painted this so many times. There are videos on my channel that show you how to paint this foreground. So don't think that, oh, something's happened here, the video, something's wrong with the video. That's not really the case, and I just didn't want to waste your time looking at painting this. And the foreground is these foreground trees are again, foliage rather, are again painted using the same sort of colors that I used for the greens here. I'm not really happy with the mountain, to be honest with you. I think it could have been better. I think I might do it again at some stage, but this was done using violet straight from the pan, and I'm using the De La Rowney pans. Sorry, not the De La Rowney, I'm using the Pelican pans, and a little bit of oil pastel and some Van Dyke brown and burnt umber here for the trees. And for these wispy branches, I've used my rigger, using the same sort of mixes that I used for the trees here. So I do hope that you like this painting, and I do hope that you'll visit my channel and click the link here to look at the whole video, the whole how-to tutorial if you want to try having a go at it. It would be nice if you left a thumbs up on that video, and of course a comment and a share, because I'm finding I've learned in the past few weeks that videos get recommended more if there's some engagement, so in the form of likes and comments and shares, etc. So please do that. For all those who subscribed to my channel so far, I'd like to thank you again, and if you haven't subscribed, do consider doing so. Thanks very much for watching this, and watch out for this video up here. Thank you so much.